Hello everyone, are you fine?
Yes, we are fine.
I am also fine, thank you. Hello guys, today we will know our students' leisure activities. Okay, then at first I would like to request to one of my students, Siran, what do you do in your leisure time?
I do science experiment.
Thank you so much. This is the turn of my colleague Nilupal sir. You can also ask some question to them to know their leisure, because you know that English is a matter of a lot of people joining together. Okay, Nilupal sir, yeah, this is your turn and you can start. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Nafisa Nawar, yes? How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is music.
Thank you so much. What's your name?
My name is Gaurav.
What class are you in?
Class 3.
Thank you. What is your hobby?
Playing games, sports.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everybody. My dear students, you know that English is not our mother tongue. Our mother tongue is Bangla. আমাদের মাতৃভাষা কি বাংলা. In spite of this thing, we will practice English. You know that we are now living in digital time and online time and social media's time. The more we learn English, the more doors of coming days will be open to you. কি বলছি আমি, আমরা যত বেশি ইংলিশ প্র্যাকটিস করব, সামনের দরজাগুলি আমাদের জন্য খুলে যাবে. Your sir is right. I think that your sir is right. So in another day, in another time, we will again practice our new session. Up to this time, you'll be very much fine. Goodbye students, bye bye.